Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Today we are going to solve the question compare the total sales by date for a given day with its previous and following day. So for this we will be using the invoices table. Let's take a look at the data first. So here we have total sales and invoice date. However, the invoice date is in a timestamp format, so we would want to convert it into a normal date format. Let's take a look at the solution. So first let's build a CTE that will have only your invoice date and the sum of total sales. So let's start like this. I'll convert the date into a year, month, date format. You can use any other format. Then we need invoice date. Then I simply need total sales. Let's see the output. So here we can see for each date we have total sales. Now let's put this into a CTE. Then let's use window functions for finding previous day and following day sales. Use order by on date and then use lead function. So as we can see, first is the first day, so it will not have any previous day sales, but it will have the same day and the following day. Similarly, when you come towards the bottom, you will not see anything after the last day, so this is going to be null. If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.